Who is the visionary behind this marvel? What does it symbolize? This is more than steel, it's a dream of unity. Gateway National Park, with birds chirping faintly in the background. The sun breaks through clouds, illuminating the park's lush greenery and serene riverbanks. Established February 22, 2018. How tall is this icon? Stainless steel panels glinting under sunlight reveal intricate details. Who dared to dream such a design? Eero Saarinen, portrayed sketching at his desk. Pencil strokes sync with rhythmic percussion beats, emphasizing creativity and innovation. An old photograph of Saarinen fades into a modern rendering of the arch. A clock ticking in the background marks time passing between conception, 1947, and completion, 1965. Workers constructing the arch decades ago. Hammer strikes ring out sharply, blending with triumphant brass tones. Why call it Gateway? Pioneers' wagons crossing the Mississippi River centuries ago. Hoofbeats echo, mingling with distant fiddle tunes evoking America's westward expansion. Fast forward to bustling city streets today, where cars zip past the arch, tire screeches punctuate the soundscape, underscoring its role as a gateway to modernity. Visitors ride trams inside the arch, their laughter echoing within its hollow core. Suspenseful music builds anticipation for what lies ahead. At the top, tourists gaze out at panoramic views. Gasps of or mix with ambient wind noise. The camera mimics their perspective, showcasing St. Louis sprawling below. Is there more to this monument than meets the eye? The tone shifts mysteriously. Shadows creep along the base of the arch as eerie synth notes pulse, a hint of untold secrets. Archival footage reveals debates about whether the arch would ever be completed. Voices argue passionately, layered with dissonant chords that heighten tension. Rain lashes against the unfinished arch during construction. Thunder booms dramatically, mirroring doubts cast upon the project. Yet hope prevails. Sunlight pierces storm clouds, bathing workers in golden light. Uplifting choral harmonies celebrate perseverance. Back to present day, fireworks explode around the arch during a 4th of July celebration. Explosions crackle loudly, synchronized with patriotic melodies. Children fly kites shaped like the arch near the riverbank. Laughter rings out, blending with cheerful woodwind instruments. Night falls, and the arch lights up brilliantly. Crickets chirp softly beneath glowing reflections dancing on the water's surface. But can technology truly capture its essence? Drones circle the arch, capturing angles impossible for the human eye. Beeping signals from the drones create a futuristic vibe. Suddenly, the power goes out mid-shoot. Silence envelops the scene, only the hum of generators remains. Tension mounts as filmmakers scramble to adapt. Moonlight takes over, casting ethereal shadows. An acoustic guitar strums gently, highlighting nature reclaiming the moment. Inspiration strikes. Filmmakers use long-exposure photography to capture star trails, circling the arch. Celestial wonder fills the air, underscored by celestial choir vocals. As dawn breaks, the crew shares coffee and stories. Warm banter mixes with clinking mugs, creating camaraderie amid exhaustion. Final edits bring all elements together. Montage sequences flash by, set to swelling symphonic crescendos. Each clip reinforces the arch's enduring legacy. The silhouette of the arch illuminated. A single bell tolls solemnly. The Gateway Arch stands not just as a monument, but as a testament to dreams realized.
Disclaimer. All of the videos presented here are the result of artificial intelligence, so that it might be possible if there are any differences with the actual situation. Hopefully, by watching the videos, people can get imagination and description about the place.